Welcome dear friends. Let's discuss header and footer, which mostly represent a government or a private setup, a monogram or letterhead of an institution. Most of the time when we do this the same in MS Word, so after pressing enter, when we go to next page, the same is repeated and repeated again. Now let's suppose we work in an organization which have different letterheads. So how we can keep each and every header footer different from the previous one? So let's go to the screen and see header and footer with detail. Now MS Word is open, and at the top you can see the area which is header and footer, and note the straight line. This is called header. So insert, select header or footer icon, or you can also select simply by double clicking in the area. So I selected edit header and footer, close it. So let me first enter page number so you can insert, you can understand the lecture in effective manner. So simply I have selected. You can also see my text, press close, and now let's go through shortcut by double click. Now you can see that header footer is open. Now let me choose a shape. Suppose we have selected a rectangle. Now right click, format shape, line color, background color. You can do any changes, or you can select font color. You can increase or decrease your font color. This is optional, so you may write your own name, or your organization name or ministry name. So I simply wrote jqkhan just for your guidance, and now our header is ready. Now let's see, if I simply go through enter and enter, every page will repeat the same. I would like to avoid this. Now you can see that 4 pages are available having all the same content. So let me go back and erase this, and let's go how we can keep the second one different from the first one. So go to page break, next page, and now we are on second page. You can see header 2, page second, and let me tell you that I have to change this there. Although link to previous must be cut off. You have seen the text below, and now I have pressed that, I off that, and now you have seen that I have changed the text. Now let me check it either if it's work or not, and you can also change the color, line color, size, font, and background color as well. So you have noted that our first and second header are different from each other. Let's go again. Page break, next page, and remember this should be in page layout. Now link to previous page is off, and we will repeat the same process through which we have done the second one. You can see that it's header number 3 and page number 3. So I have kept my font color and background change as well as its middle align. So it's our third page, and let's check either what happened in the next 4. Also we have removed the color line. Now again let's go to page layout, select the arrow, next page, and now double click it, and again you can see that it's fourth page as well as fourth header. So we are keeping each and every header different from the previous one. I'll show you at once 4 of 4. So I have made changes, link has been off, and the close button is pressed. Now let me squeeze it so you can see the entire one by one, and now you will see all 4 at once. So hope you would like. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.